Look at this. This is where the car was created. My two personal favorites, GTR, not GT, SVJ, Urus, Performante. What in the world is that?
Starting route to Automobili Lamborghini.
This is where the car was created, in these lands. As you guys know, like, this is all farmland. As you guys know, Ferruccio Lamborghini was a tractor builder before he started the Lamborghini company. So this was his playground. Imagine having this as the back roads of where you get to test your car. You get to drive on these beautiful roads. Let's see what's on the other side of this corner. Look at that. That looks like a 2-mile straightaway. So we're headed over to the Lamborghini dealer first. I'm sorry, not the dealer, the Lamborghini factory. We're gonna stop by over there just for like a little while because I had to choose between Lamborghini and Pagani, and I'm sure you guys will agree with me on this. A tour at the Pagani factory is much cooler than a tour at the Lamborghini factory. No offense, baby. I would choose you over a Pagani. I'd always choose you over Pagani. I just don't want her to get mad at me. She'll throw another check engine light. Well, I wasn't kidding about the check engine light. But this was on earlier today. Hopefully it'll go away by the end of today. This car's really cool. You turn it on and off 3 times, the check engine light goes away. If it's not an actual, like, you must check the check engine light. In which case it turns red. If it's just amber, it's like, you probably shot some flames. O2 sensors are tripping out. Alright guys, we are 2 miles away. I am getting so anxious and nervous and excited all at the same time. Look at this. This is where the car was created. Every Lamborghini owner needs to do this. You need to ship your car to Italy and bring it to the back roads of Italy, to this tiny little village where the car was created. It honestly makes me appreciate this car so much more. Knowing that this car was founded like Lamborghini, everything that Lamborghini is, the brand, the, you know, the history behind it, the passion. I mean, when you think of Lamborghini, you're like, you know, it's the most raw supercar, right? That's what Lamborghini is. To know that that was started in this tiny little village. It wasn't started in industrial Michigan, Detroit, Michigan. It was started in the back roads of this. Like, the humble beginnings of this car company makes me appreciate this car so much more. That anyone, like literally a tractor builder, can start a company like this to leave a legacy behind. That is inspirational to me. That it just blows my mind. It brings it into perspective of how simple it is to get wherever you want in life. Like, the guy just woke up one day, he's like, you know, out of spite, and like, here, look at this. That tractor right there. Speaking of tractors, that right there. That's who he was, you know, a tractor builder. Started this.
Take a slight right turn onto
Italians, something behind this car, you know. It's not like a Lexus LFA. Yes, I love that car, right? But it's Japanese. Any, like a Corvette, it's whatever it is, even like Hennessy Motors, it's American, you know. There's no passion, there's no culture, no heritage behind it, you know. Italians just do everything so differently, from cars to clothing. I can't even put it into words. This is a moment in my life that I'm never going to forget. I'm getting emotional. It's just I'm thinking, you know, when I'm old, you know, I'm gonna reflect on this trip, you know, when I'm looking at this car in my garage, and you know, it's gonna bring back a lot of good memories, and that's what life is all about, just making good memories. You only live once, make the absolute best out of life. That's my motivation speech for the day, I guess. Guys,
Turn right onto EMBARRASS.
we are
Then
here.
turn left.
Lamborghini. See what we got
Turn
here.
left. Then the destination is on your right.
Hey, you better be good to me, okay? I brought you back to your hometown. No more problems. Hello.
Hi.
How are you, sir? Yes.
Lamborghini Museum.
I know, you can say that again.
Arrived.
Riservato visitatore. I assume I'm a visitatore. Can you believe this?
So cool, dude.
I was getting goosebumps on my way here.
Were you?
Seeing all the tractors and just, you know, knowing the beginnings of this car. I actually got very emotional. I don't know why. Okay, shout out to Paul Wallace. He's actually the one who hooked me up with this. Supercars of London. I am meeting up with him later on this trip. Paul, grazie. Thank you. Okay, so we got here pretty early, surprisingly. We have an option, factory tour or museum tour. They have both at the same place.
Well, what do you see at the factory tour?
The assembly line of Ursus, Huracans, and Aventadors. At the museum, so cool. Just test driving the car. At the museum, you'll see every single model ever made. I personally want to see the museum. What do you want to see?
Yeah, let's check out the museum.
Museum?
Definitely. Yeah, get
Sure?
the history behind it.
For sure. If they had an assembly line of a Murcielago, I'd want to see that.
Agreed.
But I want to see what Lamborghini is all about. I want to fall in love with the brand again. I've sort of fallen out of love ever since it became Audi. Maybe this will make me appreciate Lamborghini a little more.
Let's go inside.
I hope so. Personal favorites, GTR and a GT with a proper gated shifter. Look at that. Look how rare that is though. First gear is down here. Second gear, you gotta go diagonally up. And the third is down, and the fourth and the fifth. Original Urus. Check this out. I think this is really cool. A purple on white Countach. And the license plate is so appropriate.
Wow.
Right?
Yes.
Scarface should have had something like this.
Yeah, definitely.
Tony Montana should have had this. This is what I had on my poster. This and a Diablo when I was a kid.
Yeah.
In my teenage years, I had a Diablo. When I was 5, 6, 7, I had a Countach, a red one. So this car is a Gallardo, essentially. Okay. This is right before the Huracan came out. It is so lightweight. It does 0 to 60 in I think 2.5 seconds. Correct me on that. Just from the V10 engine, 2.5 seconds. Look at the interior. There's nothing in it. The seats, it doesn't even have seats. It's just like pieces of cushion, like basically glued onto it, molded into a seat. Look at the interior. Plexiglass, as you can tell from the swirl marks. Look at the seat. There's no seat. It doesn't move. It's just cushion molded onto the car. The steering wheel, even the steering wheel is lightweight. No gauges. We're not supposed to touch them, but it's like that thing. It's bolted on with screws. This too is like a 2.5. Here, let's see. $3 million car. I was right. 0 to 100 kilometers, 62 miles an hour in 2.5 seconds. We got the original Ferrari FF over here. The Lamborghini FF. It's a 2+2, just like the FF. It's called a Spada, I'm sure you guys all know. Mark did not know, fun fact. So Bertone design house, the same design house that created the Miura, is designing our hypercar, using in my hypercar.
That's crazy.
It's his son, no longer Senior Bertone. But same design house, that car's in. So people think the Miura is the first Lamborghini, but the 350 GT is actually the first Lamborghini. The Miura was made, I believe, 3 or 4 years after the GT. So this, right here, first Lamborghini ever made. This is what competed against Ferrari, and then the Miura came out and just completely killed Ferrari. I love that it's red though. Shit, I would kill to have one of these. I wonder how much they are, probably a couple mil. So on the second floor, we have all the modern Lamborghini. SVJ, Urus, Corpomante. What in the world is that? It's just a two-seater. That's so weird. I thought it was... Oh, this is cool. If they made this, that'd be really, really cool. This is a concept car. Wow. I'm actually digging this. 10-cylinder. Let's go check out the Veneno. This too is the concept car. I remember seeing pictures of this back in the days online. Look how cool this looks. So impractical. Really cool. Reminds me of my old Gallardo I used to have. Look at the stance. It's a massive car.
Yes, it is.
But it's cracking. It's so weird.
Oh no, huh?
Yeah, so basically an Aventador. So just a 750 Aventador with a body kit on it. It's cool. It looks amazing. It's my first time seeing one in person. Absolutely bonkers. Unreal.
It is crazy though.
I love whoever the designer is needs to raise on this. Interior, unfortunately, just an Aventador. So there's two, another Aventador with a body kit on it. I think this was limited to 20 or 25 coupes and 20 or 25 roadsters.
Honestly, I think this is my favorite.
This is your favorite?
Yeah. Based on looks?
You would take this over a Veneno?
Yes. It's just a taste thing. That's too much for me.
I had to pick one car here. One car. Nothing from upstairs. Probably go with this. I'd go with this. The original Lamborghini.
I mean,
Right? This is Super Leggero. Alright guys, we're running out of time.
I was gonna say something, but then I forgot.
Okay. So, I do have a newfound love for Lamborghini.
And what would that be?
Oh, just, you know, the heritage behind the brand, right?
Yeah.
Seeing all the old cars brought back memories of all the posters I used to have. It took me back to being a child. Hey, what about you?
You know, I think it really takes to seeing the history of something to gain a new appreciation
Driving
for
here,
it.
I agree with you 100%. So driving here, seeing the farmland,
Yep.
and just like, oh look, this car, this brand was made here.
Yep.
I appreciated that a lot.
Yes. The passion that must have went into.
Yes. How are these? I just got these.
You just got those?
Hey.
You want my honest opinion?
Yeah, I know you don't like them. I don't care.
Looks like they have like a layer of aluminum foil on the front.
Whatever.
The people in the vlog, you're gonna be vlogging, they're just gonna be staring at themselves.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, because it's a mirror.
Alright, well now they get to see you too. Since you never turned the camera to look at yourself. How's that? Yeah? Good? Okay.
Hey, where are we going?
Lugani.
Alright, see you guys next time. Yeah. See you guys next Still recording.
Oh, right. Ah, so nice in here. The AC bone. It is so humid and hot in Italy. Let's see if the check engine light goes away if I turn it on one more time. Nope, still there. One more time. Okay, it's not going away. It might actually be a real check engine light this time. Not just you shot flames check engine light. Okay, boys, off to the Pagani factory. Let's go get a tour of the Pagani factory.